What you guys doing? Hi everybody! Where are we going? Where are we going? Go that way. Let's go that way. Oh my goodness, no way! I found the stick! I found it! Ah, it's mine. I'm gonna keep it forever. I found it! It was in the fridge. Right next to the dog bones and dog food. You don't believe me, do you? I'll show you. Dog food. I think that's dog food. Haha. He's my stick. He's my friend. Haja. Ha. Haji. Haji. Ha. Get out of the way. Oh, no. Haja. My stick. It's mine, not yours. It's mine. I'm gonna keep it forever. A darg. A darg. Haha. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ay. You guys want to see a trick? Only if I get a treat. Hiya! Hiya! You did it! Haha! Hiya! 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 I'm DJ Zeek. Thanks for coming to my show, everybody. I DJ stuff about dogs. Yo! This one's about Zeek. He's on fleek. Everybody reeks because they peek a boo with Zeek.
This one's about Zeek. He's on fleek. Everybody reeks because they peek a boo with Zeek.
What you guys doing? Hi everybody! Good to see everybody. How you guys doing? Arr, arr, arr. My stick, away, away! I tell you, away. Ah. Yes, it is my stick. Arr, arr. Oh no! Bring back the stick. Ah, it worked! Happy Person Friday! Happy Person Friday, everybody! It's my favorite day of the week! Yay! And I got a stick! Ah! Ow! My stick! Haja! 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 Away! Mine! I'm gonna bury it so you guys never get it. All buried. You'll never find out where it is. Never. Ever. Well, I got to go. Bye, everybody.